Are you still struggling with your balance after your stroke? Do you still feel like you're not quite as strong or stable as you need or want to be when you're up on your feet? Well, I've got two more exercises for you to try at home today, and they're very simple. All you need is a simple step stool. If you have a low step somewhere in your home, you could easily use that if you need to. But you just need something about 4 to 5 inches that's sturdy, not going to slide around on you, that you can tap your foot up onto, and then also kind of put a little bit of weight up onto. Okay, and I'm going to show you how that works now. So, exercise one, very simple. As always, have something behind you in case you lose your balance so you can have a safe landing if necessary. If you need your walker, have your walker around you. If you're not still using your walker but you have one around the house, go ahead and grab it for this exercise because it's going to definitely come in handy. If you have a rollator, you can use that or the back of another chair. And if you're using the bottom step in your house and you've got railings on both sides, that can also be a good option for you. Just kind of get creative. The main thing here is you want to be safe because you're going to be shifting your weight a little bit. Put that gait belt on if you have one, especially if you're going to need somebody physically spotting you while you give these a try. Okay, so let's jump in. The first one I want you to try is just a nice easy toe tap up and bring the foot back down. So again, this is a subtle, not so subtle, but it's a shift of your weight up. The foot's going to tap the top of the step and then bring it right back down to the floor. I want you to shoot for a set of 10. If, as always, like I say, if you can only do 5 or 3, then that's what you're going to do. Listen to your body and then do what your body's telling you can do. Break it up into smaller sets and cup and step back down. You want your feet hip distance apart, nice tight core, have that belly button tucked in, and then again, shift your weight lightly, bring that toe up, tap the top of the foot to the step, and bring it back down. Okay, let's do the other side. We'll do it just a few. You're going to shift your weight up, tap the foot up and down. Slow, controlled, and I always say kind of light as a feather because that's going to force you to kind of control that movement and make those muscles work a little bit harder. You don't want a heavy, you know, land there. You want a nice light, gentle tap, light as a feather, and then bring it back down. And regardless of whether the right or the left leg is your weaker or your stronger leg, it doesn't matter. I want you to do both sides equally because you're going to work that affected side either way. If this is your affected side and it's staying down on the ground while the other leg steps up, this leg is going to work as a stabilizer, correct? If you're keeping the strong leg on the floor and the weak leg is stepping up, then this leg is going to work all those hips and quad muscles, right, as you come up. All the muscles you need to step up. So it's a win-win either way, okay? So that's exercise number one. It's just a supported, slow, controlled toe tap or step up, touch to the step, and right back down. Touch to the step, and right back down. Okay, and then you adjust those repetitions: 3 sets of 10, 4 sets of 5, 2 sets of 15. Again, whatever you can do. The next one is going to be a little bit more challenging. So if you're not able to do this one safely, just file it away, circle back, and try it again once more time has gone by, you build more strength, and you're able to try it safely or with assistance. But for the next one, it's kind of the next step, right? We're not going to be obviously going up and down multiple steps, but beyond just stepping up, this time when you bring that foot up, I want you to shift your weight forward as if you were going to step up, just enough so that you shift your weight up. That quad there is engaged, and the other foot is still on the floor, but that weight has now shifted to the ball of the foot and up towards those toes if you can. And then you're going to just shift back off of that and go back to where you started. So again, have someone there to help you if you need it, or have your walker or another support so you've got something to hold on to, because this is definitely more dynamic. So let's do a few of those. Coming up on that right foot, left foot still on the ground, shift forward, and then you're going to come back. Good. And then step up, shift forward, up, and down. So it's kind of like a modified step up. You're not coming all the way up, but you're working up to getting to that point where maybe you can do that. Okay. And let's show the other side. So now this foot's coming up. Everything's the same. Nice tight core. You've got your support. Shift your weight forward. Come up, but keep that opposite foot still on the ground. And then slowly shift your weight back. Again, I cannot say it enough. Please do these slow and controlled. Quick, fast, jerky movements are only going to throw you off balance or make it riskier for you. Okay. And again, doing things slow and controlled is going to require your muscles to work actually even more. So that is the key here. So one more here. You're going to step up lightly, shift your weight forward, come up as if you were going to lift that other leg up, but you're not, and you're going to shift back down. Okay. Those two exercises, look simple, but give them a try. You will see what I mean. They can be very challenging, and it's definitely something to add into your daily routine if you don't have anything like this already, okay? And as always, if you have any questions at all, or if you need any other modifications for your specific situation, or some other ideas of things that you can do to work on your whole body, your core, your legs, all together, then shoot me a comment and let me know. All right, as always, I really hope this was helpful, and I will see y'all next time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more DIY videos to help you along the way in your stroke recovery. Struggling at home? Have a question? Leave me a comment. I'm here to help.